Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see a family doing laundry together. The father is putting clothes into the washing machine and the kids are helping.
Great! Let's break down your description. What is the father doing?
The father is putting clothes into the washing machine.
Excellent! The verb putting is very important here. Now, can anyone tell me what putting clothes into the washing machine means in a phrasal verb?
Maybe filling up the washing machine.
Exactly. Filling up the washing machine is a common phrasal verb we use. What other things do we fill up?
We can fill up a bottle, fill up a gas tank, or fill up a suitcase.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about the kids. What are they doing?
One kid is holding a laundry basket, another is handing a cloth to the father, and the third one is putting detergent into the machine.
Good observations. We can use phrasal verbs like handing over, holding up, and putting in. Can anyone make sentences using these phrasal verbs?
The kid is handing over a cloth to the father. Another kid is holding up a laundry basket. The third kid is putting detergent into the machine.
Well done. Now, let's learn some vocabulary related to laundry. Can anyone name the items in the picture?
There is a washing machine, a laundry basket, detergent, and clothes.
Correct. Let's talk about the word detergent. What does it mean?
Detergent is a substance used for cleaning clothes.
Very good. We can also describe the detergent as liquid detergent or powder detergent. Now, let's use the word in a sentence. Can anyone try?
We need to buy more liquid detergent for the laundry.
Excellent! Finally, let's discuss some phrases we use when doing laundry. For example, doing the laundry, sorting the clothes, starting a load, and folding the clothes. Can anyone make sentences with these phrases?
I will start a load of laundry after sorting the clothes.
Perfect. And what do we do after the clothes are washed and dried?
We fold the clothes.
Exactly. You all did a fantastic job today. Remember these phrases and verbs and try to use them in your daily conversations. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Why do you think it's important for the family to do laundry together?
It teaches the kids responsibility and helps them learn how to do household chores.
Good point. And it also shows the importance of teamwork and sharing responsibilities. What other household chores can families do together?
They can cook meals, clean the house, or do gardening.
Excellent examples. Working together on these tasks can make them more enjoyable and less of a burden. Can anyone think of a phrasal verb related to cooking meals?
How about whip up a meal?
Perfect. Whip up means to prepare something quickly. Can someone use it in a sentence?
We can whip up a meal for dinner tonight.
Well done. Let's also think about how we can use teamwork in other aspects of life. Can anyone give an example?
In school projects, we can work together to complete assignments.
Excellent! You have used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.